Thokozani lesedi kganya Qamakunda Weshewe. Guys, okay, now we're moving along, right? I did upload my part 2 on TikTok already, where I explained everything, and you know, but because of my experience and everything else, I decided not to do the consultation with all system, right? Number one, guys, if probably it was in the beginning of my journey of spirituality and whatever, I don't think I would have got the guts to walk away, but I did walk away. And the video is not to discredit anyone, it's just to say this is my experience, guys, and I understand that there's people who had great experiences, and I hope that those who go now, they don't experience the same thing. I saw someone on my comment, like on Facebook, on sorry, not Facebook. Oh, guys, I don't, I'm not on Facebook, on YouTube, saying that I should have made this video a long time ago. Why now? Bra, namhlanje ingakhi as I'm making this video. Sorry, let me confirm. I think he is 6 Zaga April, right? When I made that video was last month of March, last days of March. Mangenza, that video I made it because I went last week, so this thing, it's a recent gate. I went to consult Labaya 23 Zaga March 2026, right? So when I made the video, it was the following week. I would have made it the same day, but mina ngiyayiprocessa into, ngiyiprocesse hayi, kodwa ngibona ukuthi cha, ayivumi. And now it makes sense ukuthi uSisithembi, whenever akhuluma ngey'boko zabantu, akhuluma ngokuthi nangu bani banoshonile, it's because already she knows, she was told, she has all this information. Hence I'm saying, I don't know those who go to consult Kamoja Love, how does it happen? But one thing for sure I know, it's that you are asked questions before, and for them it might be tricky because they might think probably it's production asking questions. But I did not go Kamoja Love, I went. The way I went, guys, I can even drive now and shoot her out of that house. But because of it's not my place, and I'm not malicious. If you know me, you know me. I'm not malicious, right? I will not, because probably there's people who receive the video good, the way it was intended, to say, no, this is a lesson, and there's those abazoyithatha ngamawala to say, yo, tembi. And I don't want anybody emhlasela or say bad things. Cha, if you want to experience it yourself, you can, but now I was not willing to pay that 950. And if I had went for a consultation, one consultant, then after consulting me, what you need to come with your family members, I would have done that. I wouldn't mind probably paying a 950 or 5. Take my mother, take my father, take my sister, take my aunt, take whoever. I would have done that. Mina personally, I would have done that. But because I'm like, I gave you all the information, what's there to consult about. But to those who think probably I'm being malicious, it does not even affect me, because I and those who know me. I'm not that type of a person. If I wanted to expose people, I would have done that long time ago. And because I understand myself that I am a healer, but hence I'm saying I wanted to know ukuthi mhlambe mediums, they do things differently. Maybe mediums, they ask you yonke into. Mina, all I know is that you're not supposed to. Akwenzeki. Nthwasa umnguni nomndawo, akwenzeki. Ngayenza amakhosi, akwenzeki. Uyabhula nje. Umuntu angena uyabhula, bathi bhula mngoma. Bathi bhula. Bhula Thwasa, bhula. umuntu angene umbhule ukubhula angakasho nokuthi hey nguba kuyenzakalani bhula mngoma. Mangaba uboni kahle the only thing ongayenza if uyabona ukuthi cha angikwazi ukumdonsa lo muntu, angikwazi ukudonsa umoya, ngambuza isibongo sakhe sikabo mama nesikabo baba, ukuthi nakhona it's that you want ukubasondeza and usuke uphahlile ubize idlozi lakho nedlozi lalo muntu ukuthi ngicela nihlanganeni. Yabona, mangabe ngempela there was anything wrong with mhlambe njengoba asho uThembi ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi ngizishadisile or anything based on into engimtshela, nakhona kangitsheli, mangimtshela uthumela iPA ukuthi izongitshela, mhlambe kube bebathi wangibhulela ukuthi cha kunento engahambi kahle, angikwazi ukudonsa isibongo sakho ngoba uthi umuntu omdala, noba kukhona ugogo othi wena usishadisile kanti gogo washada njani, ngoba la ngiyabona ukuthi cha akuqedwanga izinto. Yeah, probably then I would explain ukuthi cha gogo right, vele kukanje nakanje. Hayi ungibuza imibuzo ngikutshele bese ungitshela lento engikutshela yona. Cha kusami ngimdala mangaka, mara kodwa ngoba nina niyathanda ukudliwa, ngoba nina ningabo Thomas Makholwa ngokubona. If you want ama contacts kaThembi, I will give you freely futhi. Go consult. In actual fact, it's good for umuntu ukuthi azazi ukuthi ubani, azazi. Mina know abantu abakutshela kahle ukuthi no, mina idlozi lami awuzwani nemithi, so mangiconsult afanele ngiye kuba profit nanani, hence there's different gifts. Hence I wanted to know ukuthi kanti amanye ama-gift ayenza njani. Mine is not to judge, angijudge inhlobo, but those who received the video as intended, yeah. But angeke nguyenze upart 2 la ka YouTube, nguyenzile ka TikTok guys, and ukuyosave le video ngiphinde ngibuye ngapha, cha ngeke ngikhona. Ngeke ngikhona, yazi ngikhathele guys. I'm from the Free State. Bengekho kahle bengekho, so I'm just tired. Just want to take a nap. Manje 12, just take a nap, wake up around 2 o'clock, do my assignments and focus. Abona when you understand ukuthi umsebenzi wedlozi akusisinkwa, you will understand. It's not about customers. It's not about calculating ukuthi mangangena abantu abawu 5 mhlambe ngelanga ngayenza imali engaka, cha. Even if they don't come in, ngihappy, ngilala ngidlile. I have money in my bank account without anybody walking in. Hence umuntu makangena mangamsizanga ngizwa ubuhlungu mina personally, because ngiyacabanga ukuthi cha angikwazi ukudla imali yenyembezi zomuntu, angikwazi ngoba omunye uzavela adinga usizo. Yabona lesasililo le ntombazana wasikhala lapha, hawo cha, ngasicabanga lesililo ngathi mase sifike edlozini lakhe. Hayibo, phela thina siyazi ukuthi mawuthwasa uyatshela ukuthi ukukhwaza idlozi uwenzani ukuthi ulikhwaze, and the reason why wenza njalo, it's because malizwa your footsteps, malizwa your cry, malizwa your vibrations, liyazi ukuthi kunengane yethu esibizayo. Ingakho ngisho ukhokho washona ungakazalwa uyakuzwa ukuthi nawe ukukhala ingane yethu. Hence ithwasa lihamba ngeenyawo, because you have to connect to the ground, you have to connect to nature. So isililo somuntu ongazi ukuthi ukuzazela kungani, bese uyayidla leyo mali uyothenga imoto, hawu cha, or uyayidla uye kuma vacation, noma uyayidla nje uye kuma restaurant, cha, I wouldn't eat it, ngikhulekile. So yeah, thokozani lesedi khanya camakunda weshewe.